Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install complementary shaders in Minecraft. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we need two things. So go ahead and open up your browser. And then let's go ahead and find either Iris shaders or Optifine. So these two right here will be the bridge for your shaders to work, okay? Any other shaders will work with these two. So just go ahead and pick one. In this video, I'm just going to go ahead and use Iris. Okay, hit on enter. Now go ahead and download it from Iris Shaders website. Now click on downloads right here. Download for Windows. Wait for it. Save it on your desktop if you want to. Now here we have Iris installer. The next one would be the complementary shaders. So go ahead and find it. Complementary shaders right here, and you could also download it from CurseForge or Modrinth. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to go ahead and download it from Modrinth. Wait for it to load. Other ones it allows, just go ahead over to download right here. Select the game version. I'm going to be using 1.21.1 because this is the current version right here that I'm using. So again, download 1.21.1. Platform would be Iris, and again, as I've told you earlier, Optifine works well as well. Will work perfectly fine as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Iris, download right here, save it on my desktop, save, wait for it, and here we have the complementary shaders. This one is reimagined. There's one version that is named Unbound. You can go ahead and try that one as well. Okay, but in this video, we're just going to be using reimagined. Again, the other one is Unbound. So we have the two that we need right here. So go ahead and double click on Iris installer first. Wait for it to load. And again, select the correct game version. So hit on install. Close Minecraft as it says here. And just wait for it. Now it says completed. Go ahead and close this. Delete the Iris installer as we are not going to be needing it anymore. Now just go ahead and relaunch the Minecraft launcher. And the ones that allows, go ahead over to Java Edition, installations, and here we have Iris. Go ahead and click on the folder icon. Now go to the shader packs folder, double click on it. And then I already have one right here. Say for example, I'm just going to delete it. Now move the downloaded complementary reimagined shader. Put it in here, close this one. Now go ahead and launch Iris. And now you could go ahead over to your options, video settings, and here we have Iris. Okay, you can just go ahead and edit this one however you want. Okay, the clouds right here or whatever. All right, and once that's done, just hit on done or the done button. Done again. Open up a world. It could be any world. I'm just going to open up the demo world right here just for you to see. Now, once you're in game, just press escape, go to options, video settings once more, Iris right here, shader packs, click on it. Now click on complementary reimagined, hit on apply. And by the way, you could access shader pack settings here as well. So just wait for it. If you got an error, okay, you just go ahead and click on yes, and then go ahead and find Iris, click on three dots, edit, more options, and use larger amount of RAM. Okay, and then hit on save, play it again, play. Now again, open up a world, and as you can see here, Iris shaders has been added. And there you have it. Under video settings, again, shader packs or settings, shader pack settings, and change this one however you want. Okay, hit on apply, and you should be good to go. And that is how you download and install complementary shaders in Minecraft. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you